Gyoza or pot sticker dumplings is a Japanese pan-fried dumpling with Chinese origin. This dish is commonly pan-fried and steam cooked in the same pan to create a wonderful crispy texture that also enhances its unique flavors. Here I will be showing the three components: the dumpling skin, the filling and the chili oil dipping sauce. So in a mixing bowl, add in the 2 cups of flour, quarter teaspoon of salt. Give it a mix to combine the salt evenly. Then add in around 150 ml of water, warm water. The amount of water may depend on the type of the flour used, so add accordingly. You might need extra 1 or 2 tablespoon water, so add accordingly. And need to get a rough dough. So we have to continue mixing until we don't see any dry flour in the bowl. Now cover this and keep it aside for 20 minutes. Now I am going to prepare the filling. So here I am using chicken as the filling. You may use vegetables alone. I have a small piece of ginger, chicken, some carrots, spring onion, soya sauce, cooking oil. You may use any neutral oil, salt and fresh pepper. I am using a bit of coriander leaves too. So firstly you have to mince your chicken very finely. So here I am using a cleaver knife to do the mincing process. Mince it very well. You want to break up all the chicken meat very well. You may use minced chicken instead. Now transfer this to a mixing bowl. I have shredded the carrots, finely chopped the coriander and the spring onion. So now here I will add the coriander and the carrot, and I will add in the marinade: salt, soya sauce and black pepper. Now I am going to heat the oil to very smoking high. Give this mixture a quick mix. Now add in the chopped spring onion and add the smoking hot oil over it. This ensures that the raw smell of the spring onion is eliminated. Now give it a quick mix, and this will be the filling for a gyoza. You may use the same filling to make dumplings or momos. Cover and keep it aside while we continue with the wrapper preparation. So after 20 minutes the dough has become quite smooth. We will give a quick knead, and you can see how smooth the dough has become. Now rest this dough for again another 20 minutes while we prepare the chili oil for the gyozas. Here I have used whole red chilies which I have washed and pan roasted for around 10 minutes, and in a blender I have blended to a coarse paste. Into it add in the finely chopped garlic, followed by the toasted sesame and few spring onion. I am adding in the soya sauce and vinegar. Now add salt to taste, and again we will be adding in the hot smoking oil and cover and keep it aside. So here I had rested the gyoza dough for another 30 minutes, applying starch, potato starch. You may use corn starch too. We are using corn starch or potato starch as the powder is very smooth and easy to roll out the gyoza wrappers. So here I am using a scissors to cut small portions of the dough. This quantity makes around 24 pieces. If you have any extra wrappers, you may store in the freezer by cling wrapping it. So I am applying generous amount of corn starch or the potato starch so that it does not stick, and we will be rolling out. Press each. You can either make 2 wrappers in one or do it one by one. So roll it out, applying more potato starch and roll it out. Gyoza wrappers are quite thin compared to the momos or the dumpling wrappers. So here I have stuck 2 dough balls and made 2 wrappers in one shot. You may roll out one at a time. It's all according to your convenience. Now let's start. So here I have rolled out all the gyoza wrappers. So now let's start with the filling. Apply generous amount of filling. You may apply water in the ends to seal. I'm just pressing it in. And I'm making a basic shape, which is very easy. Just bring the two edges and pinch. It's a basic dumpling shape. So repeat with the rest of the wrappers. Again, this is a basic shape. I did not go in making another shapes as I was running out of time and I was preparing for iftar. I will be showing you one more shape which I had prepared after the iftar. So I forgot to switch on the camera again. So here in a cast iron pan, I had heated around 1 tablespoon of oil and laid the gyozas. So this was after the iftar. So I prepared another bean shape and lay the gyozas and add in around 1/4 cup of water, warm water, and cover it with the lid. So these gyozas are different in a way from dumpling that it's not steam cooked. It is first pan fried in a bit of oil and then the water steam cooks the gyozas while it is covered. So halfway through cooking you can flip it, cover and cook it again for around 5 to 10 minutes in total, and serve the gyozas with the spicy chili oil. The crispy layer of the gyozas make it totally different from dumplings or momos. So if you are watching my video for the first time, do let me know your feedbacks and please do subscribe. Thank you. Inshallah, see you with another wonderful video.